Nothing lasts, they don't get running off and hiding and getting yourself on the town. It's only for the rain. It's such a rain. Don't want rain in these grass. You're so wrong. Okay, I'm rolling again. You've got the cars now, so we'll just make it up for the time double three. What's your number? If you're displaying a number, I'd be able to speak to you as mine's important good again. But all I can do now is just tell you that here's a nice full figure. The first half one. And then you've got the family. Good old point. That's 100, is it, for me? More so often, back engineered, as you say. A 1966 one. Oh, what's happening? Bit of rain. So there you go, we get your notice around, don't see anybody there. And then Mr. Alex Stafford, who's about 1,000 grand. All those who go out for the service recovery van, advertising the RICA, there we go, the cat card. I believe that a video to me. We've got this mini, the very mini, X-76, 1971, MCG. And then the Woody, as we call them, Morris Estate. January 1971, the MC Massive. Very popular, very fast car. And the standard, single standard 8 or 10 as used to be, and standard 10, there you go, not far away. That was something. And then your actual gear. So 1.3 actual gear. AMC and structure red, properly supplied by Kennedy or Wales and Edwards, which used to be, double nice one, that's the Volvo. The fourth car, 5 and 10 of one, I believe. And here we go, same for 2.5, 2.5 litre in other words, so the Jaguar is still there. Oh, here's the actual one. And the 5% of one. I don't know if the right one or one, but it's the 570, and those that see it by the car, they're popular today as well. And then, with this large Plastic Express, the 3.5 litre P6 Rover, okay, great, which would be 69, 68, 69. 1,000 two-door. Nothing on there. Another 69, 70. Bad engineered on the labour. That's on that one already. And then nice brand on the stage. All very nice cars. Don't see many of those there. So hold it in. The rear end of the car, one of the very few those days, produced in Linwood, Glasgow, with some of the practical booth and commentary, get people into work at Scotland. Obviously, the last set of roles we go car with and one of the Something touring the top line. Now with a full another battery doing all another way off. Model doctors, the same model. Just different batteries and everything. The Rover. The Viva, Vauxhall Viva, is a popular one, 4-car, some of those days. And then, popular motorcycles with motorcycles. Here's a fairly example, 1974. Fine stand, convertible, which I'm doing today. We are very, very popular motorcycles. The all.
James from the bar to Ryan, are you there? Playing on radio.
There's something, Alpine. He's got his own roof on it. His umbrella, etc. And now we come to, well.
Ryan on security from the playoff. Are you there?
What's your name?
Ryan on
Thank you,
security.
Registration. That was
Get the security guard, so that's one of his staff through that are on their vacation.
Very nice example there. All Pro, American influence for Chevrolet, or Vauxhall. And the Rover, 4-door saloon. A lovely little example there. And then, of course, the 2-door 14 Mark II, the sporty one. Without a badge on it, probably. Then Lambert Racing's Escort van, with a little bit of tuning and tidying up, make it look like a racing demon. The point of view that you don't see every day, and there's a couple of Gilberts in there to start with. Oh, there he is, Marston Meeting 3000, the Mini GT, bringing up the front there. I don't know where you've been, he was going to pick up a tea or something. And then, of course, the Austin Heating 3000, another classic before the modern MGBs were brought out. There you go. Looking across the lineup, we've got 1, 2. We've got 2 vehicles in that line which were made in England. The second row, I can't see. There's one. The Volvo there. Was made in Sweden. What a change round. We don't produce anything now in the UK, but we did then. Going from right to left, the Rover, made in Solihull. What? Lotus made in Norfolk. The Austin made in Longbridge. Morris probably made in Oxford, that one, I don't know, or moved to Birmingham. And then the V8, the Packard, was American obviously, and then the Mini, made up in Birmingham again. And looking across now, I can't see the rest of them, but I don't. There's only a few continental EU made out of the UK.